Hey guys, happy Friday. I wanted to share, oh my God, it's snowing right now. In Canada, mark this date. What is it, May 6th? Something around there, it's snowing. This is nuts. Anyways, okay, I digress. I want to share some tips with you guys today on something that drives me a little bit crazy when it comes to filming and having to do videos for your business. Sometimes it's a little bit annoying to have to get that stuff done. So I wanted to teach you guys a little bit of a trick that I use when it comes to batching. So I've changed up my schedule a bit with all the quarantine stuff going on. I don't even know if I used to really get really dressed every day anyway, because I work from home. But I definitely have certain days that I need to do video and I need to do lives, and obviously photos are a part of that when you have an online business as well. So what I've started doing is I have Mondays slated that I will be on video. So what that means is that I'm going to put a little bit more effort into getting ready. And that may be, for some people, you might not want to put on makeup or lashes or anything like that. That's just part of what I like to do, and do up my hair and stuff. But also it's like getting your ring light and getting your clothing, or making sure you're, in front of a window that it's going to be like a sunny day if you live in somewhere like Canada where the weather's a little cray. So I think what this has really helped me do is start to batch stuff, so that I know if Mondays is my filming day, then I can get a bunch of stuff done instead of trying to get a little bit done every day. Same with photos. This is a pro tip. If you're going to want to get a bunch of photos done, it's best to do it when you're already in your photo groove. That's the other thing I find is I'm in the prenatal coach test group. And so I've had to submit a couple things today. And once I get the first one done, I always feel a lot more confident going into the rest of them. So you're better off just to get on rolling with it. And then you have that confidence going into the next video and the next video and the next video. So that is something that I've been doing differently since quarantine, and I really like it. I'm going to keep that and continue to slate out certain days. I also have certain days that I will do, social media captions, or I will do all my email writing. I try to make it so that I can get in the zone and then stay there. I don't have to go in and out with a bunch of different things, because we all know that productivity wise, that's not the best bet. And I like things to be different every day. I don't like things to be the exact same. So if this is something that you guys are interested in when it comes to taking photos and videos, because we all know that you can have a great caption, but no one's going to read it if your photo doesn't stop them. This is something in our social selling mastery group, the membership group, we've been talking a lot about, and talking about some of the challenges and things like that. If it's something you're interested in, that you want more info on this, comment below. We're going to be doing a workshop, and it's going to be at the end of this month. I'm going to have one of my good friends, Shayna Yurko. She is a videographer and a photographer. I don't even know why that just came out like that, but it did. That just happened. And she's the one that has done all my pictures, most recently the ones with the pink background, as well as my videos. And I can't, she just has a really good knack for the branding and bringing it all together. So you're going to definitely want to check her out. Even if you just go follow her photos are just incredible. I mean, she does live in California, so that absolutely helps, but she's a ninja when it comes to taking really great photos. So that's Shana Yurko, and it's SHANA YURKO. So if you do have any questions about how to take photos and how to take great videos, make sure that you comment below and just tell us some of the challenges that you're having. We're definitely going to be covering those in the workshop, but I'm just curious to know. Or if you have any tips, share them. We want to know. I know for me, a ring light is it can make any day look really good. So I really enjoy that. And then the batching, the making sure that there are certain days of the week that I get things done. And that just makes life a lot easier versus trying to think about it every day when your brain's not in it. All right, guys. Well, I hope it's not snowing where you are. And I hope you guys have a really, really good weekend, whatever it is that you're going to be getting up to. And yeah, just for those people wondering, what does the bump look like? There she be. There she be. We're 25 weeks pregnant now. And yeah, we just announced it this week. So exciting. It's exciting for it to be like out in the world now. And now, not that I was like hiding it before, but I definitely had a fear of putting it out there because we had lost a couple pregnancies. I just knew what that felt like. So I wanted to be really sensitive to that, like, and putting it out there. So anyhow, it feels very freeing to be like pregnant, barefoot and pregnant, and just like in this prenatal test group and just doing all the things. So anyways, great to see you guys. Have an amazing weekend, and we'll talk to you guys next week.